I now know how best I can approach procurement. I had two specific learning objectives that I was looking to get more insights on. And one of it was how to manage my vendors properly, better than the way I used to. I've been having issues with persons of interest interfering with my procurement duties. My learning objectives have been met. The catch for me in the course was contract negotiation or procurement negotiation. I've been able to get a broader perspective. You know, I'm coming from the African setting, but this is a more westernized world. I now know how best I can approach procurement, how I don't have to keep a close mind. Oh, Bill, he's a great man. His methodology is top-notch. Where I'm coming from, we do more of theoretical learning, but coming here was very different. We were all more involved. It wasn't just about him reading slides to us, prepared slides. They were practical. The teaching would jump out at you, and there are practical stuff we could resonate with. And that was amazing, super amazing. Bill is a great man. He's a great man.